Hey guys, I've finally finished university where I studied computer games technology, and now my plan is to develop my own game. I've already started development and I've been working on the project for a couple of months, and I've decided that I want to start documenting the development progress of my game on YouTube and on my website, which you can find the link to in the description. The game that I have designed is a stealth roguelike where the main objective is to break into buildings and steal valuable items. There are a few games which I really enjoy that I've taken inspiration from, such as Payday 2, specifically the Shadow Raid mission. If you've played it then you'll know how fun it is. But also games like Dishonored, where you're an assassin and you have lots of different abilities that you have to use to assassinate targets. Also an extremely interesting concept for a game. And in terms of a roguelike aspect, inspiration comes from The Binding of Isaac mostly, where each run is entirely different. You have lots of different synergistic items that obviously help you complete each level, beat bosses, and it's just a really interesting and replayable concept for a game. And another couple of honourable mentions in terms of inspiration are games such as Deadbolt and Gunpoint, where there's a bit of stealth, a bit of action, and it's quite difficult and it's really exciting. My main goal as a developer is to create a game which I would find exciting to play, and I think that the combination of Payday-esque missions, where you have to steal items, and also different abilities and weapons like you have in Dishonored and The Binding of Isaac, and also randomly generated levels, would all work well together for a really interesting concept for a game. Now, I can program all of these things, I can do this, but I'm also not an artist. So when it comes down to art, I will be doing the art myself, but it will most likely be fairly simplistic, and I'm going to be sort of taking inspiration from Limbo, where you have a really atmospheric art style, but it's also not too complicated, and it's something that I can do myself, where I have a small amount of experience doing animation in games, and I have a small amount of experience doing art as well. So if you think I have an interesting concept for a game, please check out my website where I'll be posting more details about the game, and also please continue to follow this channel where I'll be uploading weekly updates. So I'll see you next week.